So yeah, running the Dartmoor 2.6 player again this year. They have some new colours this year and the graphics are looking really good. They got some new graphics on the seat tube and down on the chainstay as well. And yeah, really liking this frame again this year. Should be good. Running the swing low bars and the funky stem. Looking super sick this year and super light, really strong. Got the Shimano Dior brake. It's got a really short lever so it doesn't get in the way of any bar spin tricks or anything, which is pretty cool. We're running the Manitou Circus forks this year, and yeah, they're super plush forks. I really like them actually. Running the same cranks I did last year, the Dartmoor Fawn cranks. Never had any troubles with them, so really liking those. Got the Dartmoor Ivy seat on the Fury pivotal seat post. Yeah, really liking that. Front hub, I've got the K-drive, and that's on a Dartmoor Raider rim. And on the back, I've got a Dartmoor Revolt hub, and that's on a Raider rim as well. So I ran these rims last year, and they last me all year. Super strong, really light. So yeah, really liking those. Also running the Kenda tyres, the small block 8s. So overall, pretty stoked on this bike. So yeah, should be a good year.